Hello, my name is Fabrizio Bronzatti. I'm work at Dell in the Integrated Solutions Engineering, and today I will demonstrate how to run Llama 2 on our PowerEdge XE9680. This server has 8 GPUs and is located on our AI and HPC Innovation Lab based in Austin. This system has already some containers running. I will show you Docker. So those are the containers running on this system to be able to demonstrate. It has the LLM playground front-end server. There is a server for hosting the Jupyter Notebook for some additional experiments that we can do. And more specific, it has the Triton inference server that is hosting this Llama model. This is running the 7th billion Llama 2 fine-tuned for chat. And I will run this command that will show the real-time utilization of the GPUs during the submission of the request or the processing of the request. So you can see here 8 GPUs, H100 of 80 gigabytes each. The model is preloaded, so the memory is being used, and we'll be able to follow in these fields the amount of processing of the GPU is using. So let's start with a simple question. The headquarters of Dell is in Texas. So let's see what's the capital of Texas. So it quickly processed and answering the question with the right city, Austin. But let's say that I want to know just the name. I don't want this fancy description of it was included. So I say, tell me only the city. But the answer was, if I thinking in Paris. So we need to pass some context to the model to it understand what we are doing. And this is called as, for example, prompt engineering. So let's add these or let's combine those two requests and see if now it provides the correct answer. So as you can presume, it gives exactly, it understands that I want the name of the city and only the name of the city, not the fancy description. But we can have even a more fancy answer, like asking it to compose a poem with that information. So for example, I can generate here, and you see it will take more time. You'll be processing here during more time. Also the power used was bigger in that case, but it is still generating the poem with informations about Austin. I can also ask another question, like a more controversial question, asking it for give me financial tips on, for example, how what cryptocurrency I should invest in 2004. And if you see on that case, also processing, increasing the power usage during a few seconds. But in this case, it don't give me what I'm requesting because it has protections to avoid showing wrong answer or controversial answers. And in that case, it recommends that I need to research and to do the better of the best investment or financial activities to me. It's not possible to that model as it is give this kind of recommendation. But you can have this type of security applied to your own subjects, like on the healthcare, for example, you can provide guidances to the model. Don't give some type of information, or don't prescripting something, or even to a sales tool to don't provide prices. So you can configure or turn this type of security to your own requirements and application. And for the last request, we can try to generate some code. So Llama, there is a version of Llama that's called Code Llama that is released and fine-tuned to create code. In this case, this is not that version. We are using the 7 billion regular model, but even that, it can generate some code. So I asked to generate a code in Python to import a CSV file using NumPy and print the 10 first row. So if we process this, it will give the instructions on what models or what we need to import, the libraries that we need to import for the to the program, how to import the file, how to print the first 10 rows, and even some information on what I should change about the name of the file and the delimiter. So this is a very basic demonstration to show how Llama 2 7 billion runs on the PowerEdge at XE9680. I appreciate your time, and I hope you have enjoyed this demonstration.